Bilis!
Hey, Ann, what are you doing?
Church.
Okay, let's go at the church together.
Lipon.
Ate Jess, can I ask a question? Of course, about what? Because I have an assignment about conservation of energy. I don't know what's the name. I know that when I attend Ate Jenny, what is conservation of energy? The conservation of energy that we will preserve.
Before, you will give the meaning of energy. First, you will define of energy. Do you know what is energy?
Power or work. Energy defined as the ability to do work. Like matter is energy is found in a number of forms.
The form of energy are like thermal energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, yes, and solar energy.
That's right, Kuya Kim. That's right, Kim. The simplest example of conservation energy is switch off or turn off the appliances if not used.
Hey guys, this is some foods for you.
Pagpatuloy niyo yung pinag-uusapan.
Tatawa ka na yan.
Why?
Parang di kita
Conservation of energy. Conservation of energy is the
Galing ka talaga dito sa
Isali yung isa doon.
conservation of energy. Wine milk is an example of wine energy. It possesses wine milk, have 2 or 3 long blades that turn when wine logs. The longer the blade, the faster the wine speed, the more electricity the turn and
Bagit lang! Ay, sabi din!
Ma'am, bakit mo tayo na?
Ay, tumayo ka.
Energy is also a sample of conservation of
Miss Creek.
There are 3 ways to use biomass. First is burning. Burning.
Ano ba?
Nariyan ka, bumabagal ang ikot ng mundo. Hindi kita dapat ginugusto, pero natutukso. Ano man ang sabihin nila, hindi kita ipagkakaila, pagkat ikaw lang ang minamahal ko, oh, aking diwata. Aking diwata.
Ikaw ang pinakamaganda, pag pinagmamasdan kita para nagmamalikmata.
Diwata.
Tamang hinala, di makapaniwala na nakita na ang pinakamakinang natala.
Talagang diwata.
Walang katapat, pagkamat pinagbawalan, ipaglalaban ka sapagkat ikaw lang ang minamahal ko, oh, aking diwata. Naaalala ko pa nung una kang